Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Nasdaq. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide target and implementation levels for the percentage counts. Let's get started. Again, today we're going to be focusing on this local time frame. So let's get going. This is the first one that I have already presented before, saying that we have a possible A, B and C. This would fit a corrective pattern, climbing higher on price, but then ultimately falling down again. For this, we have the variation of having this something else, and instead of a count ending here, we would have it ending here and starting a new sequence of 5 waves and going higher. Now, whether that is a start of a wave or a one wave here at the wave 5 end, we don't know about that yet. But again, this local count was presented before as well, saying we had a possible 1 to possible third completed, currently making the possible 4 again. Whether it's done here or this is just the start of a wave 4, we have no conclusion yet. That is one option. Other option is saying that again this is wasting even more time on the wave 4 and wave 5. We could be having the wave 5 complete here for the wave 3. At this point, wave 5 would be really truncated compared to wave 3, so I don't really think this is possible or probable. It is possible, of course, but not very probable. Also, the issue with both these counts, where we have this micro 1, 2, and wave 3 ending somewhere around here, is the issue that we don't really have the right look. If we are having this kind of setup for the wave 5 of whole impulse structure, then the whole structure just looks really wonky. It doesn't have the right look at all. Instead, for that case, I have this presented as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I found a possible wave here or way here to get a wave 1 up here, having an expanding diagonal here into wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would get us the wave 3 up here, having a 3-way pullback here into the wave 4, and then a very strong wave 5, even though it is not long, but again, it doesn't have much pullbacks, so can't really say too much about the internal wave structures. Possibly 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That would be a possibility for an A wave or a 1 wave. Whether you want to say that this is ended here, we could be looking at the possibility of this having completed a first 5-way sequence. And that brings us a possibility to take along. Where would we take along, or where would we be expecting to take that long setup is, let me show you, come on, here we go, and wave 2, and these are the targets basically that we're looking for. Don't need this, I don't think. This is the old one. I'll just leave it here for now. Basically, these are the targets. We would like to see it go below the 0.5. Again, if we are still thinking this is a wave, possible wave 4 here, it is still possible that the whole structure is within that wave 4 territory with the other previous counts mentioned, as we haven't come down below this one. If we do come below this one, we are right here around the 0.5 area. We don't have too much support here on local time. Let's take a look at the volume here. Big volume node here around this area, so definitely a support level there. 0.618 here has a lot of volume as well. Most likely we are going to be, if this count is going to be playing through 3 waves, some kind of 3 waves, and then 5 waves down to these areas where we have these previous lows here. There's some areas of insufficiency here, or fair value gap, or whatever term you want to use it. There's a lot of price action here without not much of a pullbacks, creating these areas where we have quite a low volume amount. So we are going to be most likely, if we are dropping this level here, we're most likely coming back to the next area of support here around 61% retracement. That would be around $12,000. This is my main now. I feel like this wave 4 again, if we are playing this with the other counts, is taking so much time. Currently this one is looking the best, at least for me. Now whether we are going to be taking the wave 5 or wave 3 or wave C extension or the target long setup here, we are going to be aiming again for at least the 1-to-1 extension on this one. So depending on how high this goes to, or how low this goes, let's take a measurement here and attempt to predict the targets, although it is not very wise to do that as of yet. 1-to-1 extension here around 13.5k. Of course we would be looking at the internal wave structure more as well for that. Let's zoom out a bit, see if we have some volume nodes around here. Nothing major though. Let's take a look at even higher time frame. 1-to-1 is still here. There's still nothing. We would have to zoom out really far to see, well, there's a major area of volume here anyway, so a lot of places to reject downwards. So yeah, can't really say much, at least at the moment. But again, we would be looking more on the internal wave structure to see a possible 5-wave setup complete, and then at least taking profits if nothing else. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to share today on Nasdaq. Let me know if you have other ways to count this in the Discord. Link to that in the description as well. Also, if you would like me to update a certain other asset, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.